So it is day number 3 of this Seamoss challenge, you all. Hi there, my name is Peter Gay Barrett. I am a certified weight loss, nutrition, and fitness specialist. I specialize in teaching you how to use healthy foods such as Seamoss to aid in preventing, treating, curing, managing chronic ailments such as high blood pressure, high blood sugar, high cholesterol, and obesity. The month of October, I am doing a Seamoss challenge where I have homemade Seamoss every day for breakfast. And this is, I'm almost out of my Seamoss. I probably have 2 servings. Maybe you guys can notice I'm not at home. So hopefully this will last me for the next 2 days. Then when I go home, I will show you all how to make Seamoss from scratch from the actual moss, how to make the Seamoss gel. So you want to know how to make Seamoss gel at home from fresh sea moss, let me know. Leave a comment and let me know. So every day I am going to tell you one health benefit you can get from having Seamoss. Day 1, we talk about the skin. Seamoss is great for your skin. Eczema, psoriasis, common breakouts. Day number 2 was high blood pressure. Seamoss will aid in managing your high blood pressure because of its high content of potassium. A deficiency in potassium can contribute to your high blood pressure. So it's for the skin, it's for the potassium, which is essentially going to help with your blood pressure. Before we talk about the third health benefit, let me take my spoonful of Seamoss. Rinse it down with some water. And that's all I do every day. Some people recommend taking it twice per day. I don't recommend taking it twice per day. And as we go into this month and I talk about some of the additional health benefits, I will let you know why I don't recommend doing it twice a day. Now, for benefit number 3 of taking Seamoss every day, it's for your good gut bacteria. We talk about probiotic a lot, especially for those people who have gut issues like myself. I struggle with gut issues, gas, bloating, heartburn, indigestion. I have it. Name it, your sister got it. There is no shame in my game. But I have found, and studies have shown, that Seamoss is great because of its great source of probiotic. Probiotic comes from fiber. Seamoss is a great source of fiber. So probiotic is going to help to feed that gut bacteria. It's that good gut bacteria that you need that's going to help to create a good gut microbiome, right? So if you have issues with gut bacteria, where your gut bacteria is not balancing, we need prebiotic, we need probiotic. But we focus way too much on probiotic where we're not thinking about the prebiotic, and Seamoss is a great source of that. A lot of issues that we have come from our gut. I know for myself, I will raise my hand first. I know a lot of issues that I have that's going on with my body. I have to constantly keep healing my gut, feeding that good gut bacteria with that prebiotic, feeding that good bacteria with that probiotic, right? And you will get that from Seamoss. So, day number 3, health benefits, good gut microbiome, great for that gut bacteria, and it's also essentially going to help to boost your immune system to a lot of those issues that we have come from our gut. So we talk about the skin, we talk about the high blood pressure, and today we're talking about the health benefits that you will get from just healing your gut, creating a good environment for that bacteria in your gut, right? So again, skin, high blood pressure, gut. Today's day number 4, and I have the 4th health benefit you can get from having fresh homemade Seamoss. I think I have maybe 2 servings left in here. Then we'll go home and I'll show you guys once we get home. Probably Monday, I will post a video. Today is the 3rd of October, 2025. If you're interested in seeing how I make this, leave me a comment and let me know. If you're interested in following me for the rest of the month while we talk about Seamoss, follow, like, share this video, subscribe. Go check me out on TikTok. It's all Barrett Nutrition on TikTok. on Facebook, on Instagram, and right here on YouTube. So follow, like, and share. Stay tuned for day number 4 of me taking a Seamoss every day for my breakfast. Until tomorrow, bye.